We're also talking about our digital lab, which we just opened in March, where we continue to invest, as well as in our biopharmaceutical plant, which we have here in Shanghai, on the Pudong side, where we continuously expanding and building more business on the biopharmaceutical side, strengthening the overall biopharmaceutical footprint in China.
We can appreciate what it means to be resilient, and we have a lot of admiration for China's resiliency during the COVID period. Yes, we were one of the first companies to resume operation during the prior few months, and that was through great collaboration with customers and all government stakeholders here.
また一方でですね、ここの、実際の家賃についてもですね、区政府の方から、一部免除というご支援をいただいたことでですね、我々自身も早くから営業することもできましたし、経営的にも非常に、サポートいただいたということで改めて感謝をしたいと思います。そのですね、牽引をしていく市場、それがまさにここ中国だというふうに考えています。